Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my year-long 23 in 2023 project pan finale that turned into a 13 in 2023. But I didn't even meet the 13 in 2023 goal, so yeah, that's what's happening. So if you love project pan videos, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. Why did I do please subscribe? Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. So again, this project was it started as 23 in 2023 project pan, but then I'm like, I'm doing horrible. I'm gonna switch it to 13 in 2023, but let me tell you guys that I do have some empties to share with you guys, but I didn't meet my 13 in 2023 goal. I just was using up some makeup and I got some updates for you guys. And yeah, and that's why we are here, to share my finale with you guys and not leave you guys hanging on what happened to the makeup that I put in a project. So next year, I definitely want to change up my projects. So let me know what projects you guys are interested to see. I'm thinking of doing Deck of Panning, I believe it's what it's called, by Emily and Max. It seems kind of fun, you know, something different. I've been doing Partners in Cream for a few years now, but I feel like I want to switch it up and do different types of projects. So definitely let me know what projects you guys are interested in watching or love to watch. That way I can maybe incorporate them in my videos. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first product I have is my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I used this 50 times, and I had a mark here from the last update I had, and it's pretty much empty. There's no more product left in here. There's a little bit left, but it was really hard to get out. I'm pretty much done. This is the Loose Finishing Powder by Maybelline again, the shade number 10 in Fairlight. This is like a really good drugstore powder. I would definitely repurchase it and recommend it. I feel like it's smoothing on the skin, and I really like it. I would definitely repurchase this. I do have a few powders in my collection, so I'll probably try to work on what I have before I keep purchasing more. But this one was very good. And what did I say? I used this 50 times to finish it. Yeah, 50 times. So I had a lot of usage left, and it was less than half. The next product I hit my goal on was my Bobbi Brown Corrector. I have the shade Light Peach. I don't know if this is my favorite corrector, honestly. I don't feel like it does much, but I want to correct. I have some dark spots on my under eyes, and I feel like it doesn't really correct it. But anyways, I hit my goal in wanting to hit pan on this, and on this one, I used it 38 times before I hit my goal on this. So that is really nice that I have a nice big pan. I definitely still think that I would want to keep using it to finish it off. I feel like I need I like more pinky correctors than peachy ones, but again, I used it and hit my goal, so that is awesome. Another product that I was like, to the point where I was like, I don't care. I don't like this product, and I'm just gonna count it as done. It's pretty much done, but I probably still have maybe 5 more uses left out of this, and it's the Clarins SOS Primer. But I recently found, well, like the last month or so, I found out that I like applying it to my skin and letting it sink in, and then work on my eye makeup once I'm done with that, and then I come back to the skin, and I just feel like my skin looks really nice and smooth, which is also what I'm wearing on my skin today. I mixed it with my Urban Decay All Nighter gripping primer, so I put that first, and then I apply this just pretty much on my nose area and kind of on my forehead and on my smile lines. And I feel like if I let it sink in, it's fine, but when I first like freshly apply it and then go in with my foundation, I feel like I hate the way my foundation looks. It just looks like greasy a little bit. So again, my favorite way to use this is to let it sink in. Did I say how many times I use this? No, but I did use this 51 times, and there is a big, like, you can see a window, see-through window. There's just some product that's pretty much done again. There's probably like 5 more uses. I'm gonna definitely try to finish off what I can for the rest of the year. There's a week left in the year, and whatever I don't finish, then I'll be done, because again, it's about done. Like, it's fine. So the next product I had was my Fenty Beauty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. This product I used 49 times, and when I put it in this project, it was up here, and now it's down here. And this is such a good skin tint. I feel like it's kind of like a medium coverage like foundation, also what I have on my skin. Pretty much my go-to foundation for work, and or skin tint foundation. It's nice. It doesn't look heavy. I don't apply a lot, so it doesn't look heavy. I'm sure it can look heavy if you apply a lot, but I just feel like it looks really beautiful on the skin, so you can't really go wrong with this. 49 times that I've used this product, and I think this is definitely one that I want to keep focusing on next year and finish off. There's this one and 2 other foundations I want to finish off next year, so I got some work to do, but I really like it and I would definitely recommend that. Another product that I've been using is my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Shady Biz. I used this 66 times. I can see, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but in person there's a big dip going on, and I thought I was like about to hit pan as well. Like I feel like I see like the bottom of the waffle pan. There is a huge dip. I don't think you guys can tell on camera, but I have used this product 66 times. Again, the bronzer I have on my skin, this has kind of turned into my everyday bronzer. I do like it. I don't think it looks muddy or anything like that. It bronzes up the skin really nicely. I feel like I'm about to hit pan pretty soon. I still no pan, but I feel like I can see something. The next product is my Kaleidos eye primer. This baby has been in here since the beginning of the year, and a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a ton of this product. This is a Kaleidos Tone Activator eye primer. I've used this 148 times, including probably more since the times that I forget to tally things up. This is, I feel like hydrating on the eyelids. Like if you have oily eyelids, no bueno, but if you have dry eyelids, I definitely recommend this. I feel like a little bit goes a long way with this. I feel like also that sometimes when I apply certain shimmery shadows, like it creases on me if I apply a little too much of this primer. So again, it's pretty hydrating. A little bit goes a long way. There isn't that much product left in here, which totally sucks that it's not done already, but there's a lot of air in here. Just trying to finish this off, but it didn't work out for me. I want to finish like an eye primer a year, and this puppy, like a little bit goes a long way. So yeah, I didn't finish that. Next up, my Isam liner. I put this in October, and my goal was just to finish off this side. This is the aubergine side, and here is what it looks like. I have used quite a bit of it, but there's still quite a bit of product left over. So for that product, I used it 50 times since what, August? No, October. And it looks nice. Like I use it tight line. I have used it a few times to line my lids, but yeah, it's been doing a good job. I like doing the black because it just deepens the lash line. This worked pretty well too, because it kind of, again, just makes your lashes look thicker. And it worked out pretty well. It's pretty pigmented. It wasn't drying or anything like that. Worked out really well, so it's fine. And that one, again, I used 50 times, so it did what it needed to do for my lash line. Next up, I have the Chantecaille Cheek Shade Blush in the shade Grace, which is the Sea Turtle. I do have a dip going on here. I remember the Sea Turtle being raised, and now it's not. It's kind of on the flat side there. And for this product, I used it 22 times. I didn't really reach for it. I don't feel like it's super, if I'm like swatching it, I could feel a dip going on. I just feel like it's not very pigmented when I apply it. Like I really have to pack it on. Sometimes I would forget to use it. And again, I forget to tally things up. So it says I only used it 22 times, which could be true. Or maybe I missed a few tallies, but it's an everyday blush. It works out okay. Not like, ooh, let me reach for it or anything. It was okay. Okay, Maybelline Fit Me, done. Clarins, done. Okay, I got 2 more products to share with you guys. The first one is my Derma Blend Concealer, Cover Care Full Coverage Concealer. Another product that has some product in it, but the under eyes look horrible anytime I use it. So I'm going to count it as done. There is window there, and everything else is pretty much like, you can see through it, and it looks thick, and it doesn't smell very good. So again, another product I'm counting as done. It's mostly done. Like there's not that much products left in here. And I'm not gonna scrape it because it looks nasty. 47 times until I decided to stop using it. I don't think I used it at all for the month of December because it was already looking horrible in November. So that is it. This product, if you want something super full coverage and mattifying, definitely check this one out. But if not, stay away from this. It was good. I like full coverage concealers because I have some darkness and some sunspots that I want to cover, but I don't think I would repurchase this because my likings have kind of changed a little bit. I do like full coverage concealers, but I like more hydrating. I'm okay with some darkness peeking through. It's fine. But yeah, like I don't need an intense coverage like Dermablend is. Then the last product is my Milani lip liner. This is the Color Statement lip liner in the shade All Natural. This one I used 14 times. I do need to mark it on my tally there, but there's not that much left in here. I really need to finish it off, but I feel like this color is super lighter than my lips are, so I feel like I'm blanking out my lips when I use this, which is fine, I guess, because I could be applying something else over it just to get my usage out of it. This is so old that I really need to finish it off or just get it out of my collection. So let's see. So I had 18 products that I worked on. Once I finished something off, then I would bring something in, and I finished off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I met my goal or finished it off. 11 products out of 18 things that I worked on. I feel like I should have rolled all my 23 products in at once so I can like work on multiple things at once and not like, I think I only worked on 10 things the first time when I rolled things in, and then once I finished that I rolled something in its place. I feel like in the years past I've done like everything at once, and then that way I can keep using things, you know, use other things besides just 10 things. If I'm trying to reach 23 things, why am I only working on 10 things at a time? So yeah, kind of getting into makeup a little bit more. I've been working, I mentioned this in my previous video, I'm not sure which video is going up, either my Partners in Cream update or this one. I think I'm gonna do Partners in Cream first, my finale, and I've been working for a couple months now. I feel like my makeup drive had kind of like gone downhill or diminished. I feel like I'm kind of like, I'm blooming again into wanting to play with makeup again. So I really want to have like fun projects starting the new year and focus on new, I guess I'm more excited to work on new products now because I've been working on a lot of these products for a while. So I'm excited to kind of refresh my stuff that I'm using and start new projects. So let me know what projects you guys are interested in me to join for the next year. We want to do something fun. So kind of want to do something, I don't know, I guess like my job's really been like the total opposite of filming and makeup and being pretty, and you know, like I have a job now that I work with men. I really enjoy the job. It's totally different from what I've done, but I don't know, I'm kind of like, I want to be girly now, I want to play with makeup, you know, like again, it's like the total opposite of what I've been doing the past 2 months. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this update. Let me know what projects you guys want to see from me, and yeah, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!